am Yurin. The assignment for this month is sharing summer things in Korea that I want to do. Here's a short amateur rap that I wrote. Listen to my heartbeat. I can't be discreet. Without you, I feel incomplete. I don't know why I'm so hype. Maybe cause you're just my type. You're just right, give me delight. No more, just work on site. My hotness is quite high. Your sweetness I can't deny. Here I am with you, a table for two. Hope you don't mind my pursuit. Love me, but bingsu, let your coldness come true. Don't let summer comes between me and you. Love me, but bingsu. It is really great to eat bingsu in Korea. Bingsu is actually a Korean dessert made with shaved ice and a variety of other ingredients. The most traditional recipe contains just shaved ice, sweetened red beans with small rice cake or groundnuts. I really like bingsu. Please do like, watch other videos, and see you in my other videos.